Hello everyone, I'm Rachel and I am a librarian at Brampton Library. For today's Take and Make kit, we are going to try a quick weaving craft using straws and yarn. You can use the end result as a bookmark, a bracelet, or add it as a decorative element to a bag. It's up to you. Here is what you will need for straw weaving: 3 or more straws, some yarn, a few beads, tape, and scissors. Here is how to make your straw weaving project. First, tape together the 3 straws at one end, leaving a very small gap between each of the straws. Next, insert the yarn between 2 of the straws close to the end you taped, leaving a long tail of yarn at the end. Weave over and under the straws. When you reach the end, weave over and under back again to the first straw. As you go, stop and slide your weaving down towards the taped end so that your stitches will be nice and snug. Keep repeating this motion until you're happy with the length of your woven piece. Once you're finished weaving, snip the end of the yarn, leaving another long tail. Cut 3 new pieces of yarn that are a few centimeters longer than each of the straws. If you didn't weave the full length of the straws, trim the ends to be close to the end of your project. Then, thread each of the pieces of string you cut through each straw. If your tape is covering the end of the straw, you'll have to remove it at this point. Once all the pieces are threaded through, tie the tail of one end of the weaving to one of the new pieces of yarn. Secure it with a knot. Then, knot the other 2 pieces of yarn together as well. Then, knot all 4 tails together into one knot. Once the end is secure, gently push and shimmy your weaving off the straws. Try to keep it nice and tight together as you pull it off. But remember, if you make a mistake, it might be fixable. You might just lose some of the length. Lay your project flat and gently smooth it out. Just like you did with the first side, knot the tails together. At this point, if you like, you can add some beads to the tails of your woven project for some extra decoration. Once you're happy with it, trim all the ends, and your woven project is done. You can use it as a bracelet, as a bookmark, or you can add it to a bag. You can do whatever you like with them.